Hello, everyone. Today is November 20th, 2025. This is the Kubernetes storage SIG meeting. Last week was KubeCon, and yeah, we had a SIG storage session. It went really well. There are a lot of great questions. And so the next deadline is dog freeze. Let's just look at the spreadsheet. So the first one is the CSI volume health amount. Oh, is amount you talking? Cannot hear you.
Yeah, yeah, can you hear me? Sorry. Yeah, so that was mostly design in the last quarter, right? So yeah, we don't have to, uh, we're not bound by any doc or anything. But we
Oh,
still have to figure out the API, final API. Yeah.
okay. Yeah. Thank you. And so change route tracking, we did update the cap with the new changes. The cap web update was merged. So okay. And then we are looking at what are the next steps to move this to the next phase. And then next one is enable privileged containers for Windows to replace CSI proxy for Windows. Any update for this? Is Mauricio? Okay, Mauricio is not here. Um, so so cap was merged. I think Michelle was telling me we don't really have anything to do on the code side because it's our tree code is already done. It's just a cap update. So I think we are good for this one. And next one is the volume attributes class update.
Yes, so I think Calorie submitted a exception request, but it got rejected. So right now the feature gate lock to true will happen at 1.36 instead.
Okay. Yeah, so it looks like if we need to get any exception from the SIG release, we actually need to have our uh enhancement issue labeled. We usually don't only label that if we need to change from like alpha to beta, beta to GA, or from off by default to on by default. We don't really label it if it's anything else. In this case, it's more like a cleanup after it's GA. We're trying to log the feature gate. So yeah. So we didn't get approval because of that, because we didn't add the label. So maybe next release we can add the label. So if in case we need to request for this exception, but hopefully we don't have to request that. Next one is CS sidecars all in one. There any update on this? See, okay. Look like folks working on this are not here. So I think it's the same. We know it was merged. We're kind of targeting 1.36. Okay, so not sure about that update, but yeah. And next one is mutable CSN node allocatable property. Steady here. So both are merged. The code is merged and even the doc is merged. So both pairs merged. So it's merged, creating doc. So I think we are good for this. Next one is Cozy over remote to Alpha 2. Lane, you want to give an update?
Yeah, we're still waiting on reviews, and while we're doing that, we're working on the actual controller sidecar implementations. I think we have like one more PR to go before we have all of the actual dynamic provisioning workflows connected, with like deletion and static provisioning still TBD. But I think that's kind of like the minimum viable for anyone who wants to use it.
Okay, thank you. We actually got a question at the 6:30 session at QCon. Someone is asking for a like a sample driver. I know we have one, but I'm not sure the status. Does that need some work, or can people just use that sample driver?
Yeah, we have a sample driver. It still needs some work. Our plans for it are to update it for V1 Alpha 2, and also like incorporate it into our CI testing, similarly to
Okay.
how I think CSI uses the node provisioner like sort of sample driver, if memory serves. So yeah, currently it's still a sample for V1 Alpha 1.
Okay.
And we have like tasks to keep that more up to date.
Okay, the driver only works for V1 Alpha 1. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
And okay, next one. Integrate CSI warm limits with autoscaler.
Yeah, so Kubernetes scheduler change merged. The autoscaler change, our PR is open. They just started rebasing the autoscaler with 135. So yeah, it'll take some time, I guess. But I'm working with the autoscaler team to get it merged.
Okay. And you have your docs PR submitted, right? Okay.
Yeah, I probably need to write a doc for autoscaler also, and I made changes to cluster API, and that PR was merged to cluster API that proposes the annotations for describing the volume limits. So yeah.
Okay, thank you. And the next one, node readiness gates. Yes. So Homa, I actually don't know the stat. I know they have something presented at the maintainer summit, but is that like the code merge, or is just design space that like?
That is out of tree. The entire thing
Oh, okay.
implementation is out of tree.
Okay.
So I think we can ignore it for now. Maybe if they need something from us, we'll get back to it.
Okay.
They are implementing CREs to represent all of this and auto tree controller.
Okay.
So
It's
yeah,
like in progress, right? It's not like done, right? It's
no, it's in progress. Yeah,
all right. Yeah.
I don't even know if they want to track it via formal KIP anymore.
Oh, okay, okay. So maybe should we just like cross this out for now?
For now, maybe, yeah.
Okay. All right, I'll just cross this out. Okay, so next one is mutable PV node affinity. Do we have? Okay, it's wait when it's not here. So the code is merged. And there's a doc PR out. So code PR merged. Doc PR out for review. I'll take a look of the doc. So I think we are fine with this one. And the next one is this is the one that we go on with off CSI driver opt-in for service account tokens with secrets. So I think this one also the entry PR merged and doc submitted. This is also they basically just go to beta directly. So that's all we have here. Okay, so I'm not seeing any new issues added here. Are there anything else folks want to discuss today? Okay, if not, that's it for today. Thank you.
Thanks, Xing.
Bye.